Alrighty, y'all, those are just my red, white, and blue sprinkles poured into my bundt pan. Now I've got some red icing here, and I am just going to start swirling this around the bottom of our bundt pan, right on top of all of those sprinkles. We're making a beautiful and easy patriotic dessert today. I think you guys are really going to love this and want to make this for the upcoming patriotic holidays. Now I do have a cake that I already baked inside this pan, but not to worry. We are gonna set it back in here perfectly. And I did find some really fun red, white, and blue ice cream. And we're just gonna start putting some of this around our entire pan here. Of course, you can use a different flavor if you'd like, but I think for our theme, this is absolutely perfect. All right, I'm gonna start with that amount and begin just smoothing this into an even layer here. Look at this. Those colors are so fun. It's very Captain America, whatever your favorite superhero or all-American sort of pastime or hero in general is. I think this is absolutely perfect. So cute. Absolutely, the kids will love it. Of course, if you were doing a superhero birthday party, this would be great as well. Now that we've got our ice cream in here, I'm just gonna put in another layer of these fun patriotic sprinkles. It's gonna give a little texture in there. And I think they're even gonna come out the sides a little bit. All right, we've got the second half of our cake here. I'm just gonna push that right in. Alrighty, y'all, I'm gonna pop this in the freezer for a couple hours. Alrighty, guys, our cake is ready. I've got my patriotic plate ready too. We're just gonna flip that over and we are just, ooh, it feels like it's coming out nicely. Look at this, everybody. Our gorgeous patriotic ice cream cake. Oh, it looks so amazing. I'm gonna cut in here and get a slice. Wow, look at that. So patriotic. I love it. It looks fantastic. This is perfect for Memorial Day or 4th of July. So many fun summer patriotic holidays are coming up. I think y'all are really gonna like this and dazzle your summer guests at the barbecue or whatever you've got going on. This red, white, and blue ice cream is amazing. Y'all gotta try it.